Ready to transform your design ideas into a stunning magazine cover that grabs attention from the newsstand. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Set the dimensions to match your desired magazine size. A standard size is usually around 85 by 11 inches. Make sure your color mode is set to CMYK for print. Next, establish your margins and guides. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle the size of your document. Then, go to Object, Path, and Offset Path. Enter a negative value, like 0.5 inches. To create your margins, these margins will help keep your text and important elements from being cut off during printing. Now, let's add your magazine title. Choose a font that reflects your magazine's personality. Consider the hierarchy of information. Make the title the most prominent element. Add the issue date, price, and any other essential text. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to achieve the desired effect. Don't be afraid to explore bold choices. Time to integrate your main image. Place your high-resolution image into the document. Resize and position it strategically. Think about how the image interacts with the text. Consider using clipping masks to shape the image or blend it seamlessly into the background. Choose a compelling color palette that complements your image and brand. Use the eyedropper tool to sample colors directly from your image for a cohesive look. Apply these colors to your background, text, and any graphic elements. Consider using gradients for added depth and visual interest. Add visual flair with design elements. Incorporate shapes, lines, or textures to enhance the overall design. Experiment with different blend modes to create interesting effects. Remember to keep the design balanced and avoid overcrowding the cover. Less is often more. And there you have it, a professionally designed magazine cover ready to captivate readers. Remember to save your file as a high-resolution PDF for print. Now go forth and create stunning magazine covers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.